Hello everyone, I'm Vignesh, co-founder of Taurus Mobility, a clean tech startup which is based out of Chennai in India. At Taurus Mobility, we aspire to fight against climate change and to improve the quality of life of all people through our innovative and indigenous mobility electrification solution. To achieve this vision, we are leveraging our breakthrough AxialFlex motor technology, which helps Indian electric vehicle manufacturers to achieve up to 50% cost savings in motor procurement and in strengthening their production with a strong domestic supply chain. We have less than 10 years to drastically reduce the global CO2 emissions to prevent the climate crisis from becoming irreversible. As a part of preventive measures, the world is electrifying rapidly, and it's now evident that electric vehicles are our future. For any electric vehicle, weight of its components and subsystems is an important factor which influences the performance and endurance of the vehicle. Conventional AC or DC electric motors used by the electric vehicle manufacturers are highly bulky and are less efficient. This not only leads to various complexities and constraints in designing the electric vehicle, but also affects the performance and endurance of the vehicle. Hence, we at Taurus Mobility are offering innovative and compact axial flex motors to satisfy the demand of the electric automotive industry for a lightweight and efficient powertrain. If you look at the dimension and weight factor alone, a 3 kilowatt radial flux motor measures 23 centimeter in length and weighs a minimum of 14 kgs, while Taurus's axial flux motor measures just 4.6 centimeters in length and weighs just 3.2 kg, and it actually fits in your palm. This, along with our proprietary design, material, and cooling technology, makes it 50% lighter, 15% more efficient, and 10% more cost effective compared to the commercially available and widely used radial flux motors in the market. With Taurus's axial flex motors, our customers can save up to 50% in total cost of ownership in terms of shipping and import duties, and our motor offers 2x potential for an increased vehicle range and 15% improved fuel efficiency. We recently completed the key internal testing of our disruptive motor technology, which has confirmed our engineering performance assumptions. We are now ready to engage in early paid pilots with electric vehicle manufacturers to gain product validation and for commercial buy-in. We recently participated and won $2,700 at the Birla Global Innovation Challenge out of 874 startup innovations from 7 different countries. We are also the winners of South Asia at the International Climate Launchpad event for sustainable innovations. Taurus is proud to be recognized as Pioneer Defense Innovator by the Indian Defense Excellence and is one amongst top 25 startups accelerated by FLCTD, UNIDO, and Bureau of Energy Efficiency in the Low Carbon Accelerator Program. We are Startup India recognized and we have received $17,500 as grants from the state and the central government for the initial development of our motor technology. With the privilege of being the youngest startup to indigenously design, develop, and deliver India's largest fully electric unmanned ground vehicle to the Indian defense, the team is all set to aid India's transition to a pollution-free transportation with our indigenous axial flux motors. At this moment, we seek electric vehicle manufacturing partners in our paid pilot pipeline, would welcome grants to further develop our indigenous technology, and we hope to engage with capital allocators and strategic partners on joining our venture and to be a part of a mission. Thank you.